In this video, you will learn 5 skills in 5 minutes. Without wasting time, let's start with number 1. How to remove a background from any image in seconds. I will show you 2 methods. In Photoshop, open the image, go here to the select tool, quick selection tool, and then click on select subject, and you can see I got selected. Click on this button here, add a mask, and boom, we got the background removed. The other method is using Canva Pro. You can get a free trial if you want to test from the description below. Add the image, click on edit image, then simply background remover. Wait for seconds, and here is the magic. Skill number 2, how to set up WordPress on a VPS server. Go to digitalocean.com and sign up. You can use the link in the description to get $300 credit to test everything you want for free. In DigitalOcean, click on create, then droplet, then simply click on marketplace, then WordPress, select whatever you want. I will go with a $10 machine. Go down, select a region, I will select London, then go down, enter a password, and then go down and click on create droplet. Super simple. Now just copy this IP address, go to your domain provider, to your domain name, and simply edit the main record, paste the IP here, save. Now our domain is pointed to our server. Very nice. What you are going to do now is to copy again the IP and run an application called Putty. Just paste the IP here, open, accept, say here root, enter the password that you used. Now it will tell you to enter the domain name, enter your domain, email address, username for WordPress, password, blog title, say yes. Now it will tell you if you want to secure with SSL, say sure, yes, enter your email, agree, select 1 for the main domain. That's all. Select 2 to automatic redirection, and we are ready. Let's open our website, hdk.net, and here is WordPress. Skill number 3, generate a free SEO report for any website. Open your browser, go to seoanalyzer.me, and you will see my free analyzer. Go here and enter any website you want. Let's say inquicksticks.com, and you can see it will give you the score, and you can see in detail everything related to on-page SEO. And by the way, InQuickSticks is an awesome website I created so anyone can read books in minutes. Go now and check it. InQuicksticks.com. You will find a lot of books summarized you can read in minutes. Stop wasting your time and start reading today. Skill number 4, how to create an Instagram animated story. Go to canva.com, sign up, it's free. Go here, Instagram story, and then Canva will show you a lot of templates that you can use directly. You can select whatever you want, like this one. If you want animated, simply click on animate here, and you will see it will automatically get animated. Very simple. Then download as MP4 and publish to Instagram. You can develop a lot of things with Canva, posts, stories, videos, whatever you want. Go and try it for free. Skill number 5, topic research. How to find topics on the internet. Use only one tool, 8 super tools. Go here, open the SEO keyword research, questions explorer, and go here to YouTube, topic explorer, and the YouTube keyword tool. We have 4 tools inside 8 super tools will help you find topics and ideas and keywords. The first one is the keyword research tool. Write a keyword like marketing, say deep, and then search. And the tool now will give you a lot of ideas related to this keyword. The second one is the question explorer. Again, write marketing, say search, and now it will show you a lot of questions related to this keyword that people are asking on the internet. Everything here is free, and you can click beside any keyword to find its details, the keyword metrics. The third tool is the YouTube Keywords Explorer tool. Here you can find up to 3,000 keywords and ideas and topics that have a high search volume on YouTube, so people are searching for it. A lot of keywords and topics to find here in this awesome free tool. The last one is the YouTube Keyword tool. Again, say marketing and click on search. Now it will give you a lot of related topics and results, up to 200 keywords related to this term that you searched. Simply create a report, create an Excel file and sell to your client, or simply grow your business with these free tools. Please, if you got some benefit, if you learned something new, don't forget, smash the like button. This will help me a lot to grow on YouTube and reach more people. And if you like this video and you want me to create more like this about learning skills in minutes, let me know in the comments section below. If you have any questions, don't forget to join us in our Telegram group so we can chat together and help each other. See you later.